Hello, I'm Mary Ellen. Welcome to my channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow, where we embrace the mess, laugh at the mishaps and celebrate the progress. Whether I'm cooking up a recipe, burning my fingers on the hot glue gun while crafting, digging in the garden or heading out on a family adventure, it's all about learning, growing and giving ourselves permission to not be perfect. Mistakes happen, and that's okay because in life's messes we learn and grow. Around here we focus on enjoying the process and making messy memories. So if you're into real-life creativity with a side of chaos, you're in the right place. In today's activity, we're making a simple beef feeder using easy-to-find, recycled materials. Not only is this a creative way to add a touch of charm and beauty to your garden, but it also serves an important purpose. Beef feeders provide our buzzing friends with a much-needed source of hydration, especially during hot summer days when natural water sources may be scarce. Helping our pollinator friends helps our gardens thrive, so let's get crafty and do our part for the pollinators. Gather these supplies. Candle holder or pillar stand acts as the base. You can often find unique ones at thrift stores or repurpose one you already have. Glass bowl or dish. This will hold the water for the bees. Look for one that fits securely on top of your stand. Epoxy glue, for attaching the bowl to the stand securely. Make sure it's waterproof and suitable for outdoor use. Flat marble glass stones. These provide landing spots for the bees so they don't drown in the water. Clean the surfaces, wash and dry both the candle holder and the bottom of the glass bowl to remove any dust or residue. This helps the glue adhere better. Attach the bowl to the stand. Apply a generous amount of epoxy glue to the top of the candle holder. Carefully place the glass bowl or dish on top, pressing down gently to secure it. Allow the glue to fully cure as directed on the packaging, usually 24 hours for a strong bond. Add the glass stones once the glue is dry and the bowl is secure. Add a layer of flat marble glass stones to the bowl. These give the bees a safe place to land while they drink. Fill with water. Pour water into the bowl just until it reaches the tops of the glass stones. You don't want to submerge them. Bees need to be able to stand on them and sip safely. Place in your garden. Set your finished beef feeder in a shady or partially sunny spot in your garden, near flowers or plants that attract pollinators. Be sure it's on a level surface so it doesn't tip over. Maintain it regularly. Check the feeder every couple of days. Refill with fresh water as needed and rinse the bowl to keep it clean and safe for the bees. And that's it. Your beautiful bee-friendly feeder is ready to go. Not only did you repurpose simple materials into something useful and charming, but you also created a safe spot for our essential pollinators to hydrate and thrive. Small actions like this make a big impact, and your garden is now part of the solution. Keep an eye out for your new buzzing visitors, and remember, every little effort helps make the world a bit kinder, for bees and for us. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow, so get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.